I'm Victoria from Lawsons Ltd and Utilities. We're a family-run company established in 2000. We specialise in civil engineering, construction, servicing and in the enviro side for both the private and public sectors. Lawsons got involved with Pathways Plus as it's getting harder to employ the younger generation into the industry. We want to break down them barriers, getting younger people back in, letting them know their options and different strategies on how to get into employment, how to do their interview techniques. We've been heavily involved with the interview toolkit by the way of providing our application form, our live job adverts that are out anyway, and our interview strategy, which can be adapted for the interview toolkit. It's important that younger people do get help because if they don't have a good application, they're not getting the interview. So if we get the application stage right first, and then we can lead on to the interviews and get them the good strategies and techniques that they need to progress into the work environment. Every business should get involved because it's getting the younger people out there ready to provide themselves with the skills and techniques that they need to get the jobs, get the interviews for any sector. These skills that they are learning from Pathways Plus are transferable to any sector and will help people in any industry that they want to succeed in.